Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel WAALAXY subscription. So let's get straight into it. First thing, you need to be logged in into your dashboard, and after that navigate to the settings. You will find them at the bottom left corner and click on them just like that. Now find the Innovice tab. So right here at the left menu, find that, click on that, and now what you can see here is our billing details and invoices. So if you have some subscription just like that, you will see somewhere here the option button, manage your subscription, and just like that you can then cancel your subscription. You will follow the on-screen instruction to confirm everything to cancellation of auto renewal. So this is basically it, what you need to do that you cancel your subscription. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.